Hey, they lied to you. That's right. They lied to you. The banks, the credit bureaus, even our own government has lied to you when it comes to money, credit, and taxes. See, the government has been lying to Americans for over 30 years about credit when it comes to fixing your credit. I'll prove it to you. Go to Google and type in cavity repair dentist, something like that, and you're going to see all the dentists pop up. But if you go to Google and you type in how do I fix my credit, or credit repair company in your local city, you're gonna see the FTC warnings pop up. You don't need to hire a professional. Do this on your own. Save your money. Why is that? It's the only industry in America that the Federal Trade Commission tells you you don't need to hire a professional. Imagine if O.J. Simpson typed into Google, if there was a Google back then, says, I need an attorney to defend me. And the Federal Trade Commission popped up and said, hey, young black man, you don't need an attorney. You can defend yourself. See, that's what the government's doing. Now, why would the government do that? Campaign contributions. See, banks make money off of interest, and the lower your interest is due to mistakes on your credit report that they refuse to correct, the more interest they make. The more money they make, the more money they can funnel to the politicians through their campaign policies. Campaign contributions. Credit bureaus make money off the reporting of the mistakes and inaccuracies. So if you're sick and tired of having bad credit because of these mistakes that you may have made in the past, or maybe the bank actually made a mistake. Regardless, if you're sick and tired of bad credit holding you back, making it so you can't buy a house, making it so you can't get a new car, making it maybe even you can't get a promotion or even a job, the time to fix it is now. Click the Learn More button to learn how I will be able to transfer my life's work over to you that will fix your credit, increase your scores, reduce your debt, and potentially eliminate your income taxes. Because when it comes to money, credit, and taxes, they've lied to you. Click the Learn More button to learn how you can finally take your power back and not live with bad credit.